Alright, that's the outside leading up to our room. There's the beds. I had all the towels rolled up with products on it.
Including my shower cap I'm gonna have to have.
The AC is very nice.
Is that a wasted space? What the hell is going on there?
There's a trunk back here with wasted space.
And what's that?
That's the breakers.
Oh, okay.
There's a big shower. And a clawfoot tub. Kalia. And these little trendy, stupid sinks. And the shitter is square.
Yeah. So are you.
Yeah, like behind his tongue. I was like, no, I don't need to stick my hand in the elephant's mouth.
That tree is suffer.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you know where there's a better tree. That is so cool.
So walk home to the airport.
Come in. But if they're fine cubs, they might also like just get aggressive and kill them. No.
This is
a lot of
Very short.
coaching unit guardroom.
Alright, well, it's a little past noon on our first wake up morning here in the hotel. We didn't go to sleep till, or we didn't attempt going to sleep until like 11 something last.
Yeah.
Anyway, and then I guess because of the time change and all that, I had a little trouble falling asleep. And then we had freight trains going by, which weren't too bad, but then right next to me, 2 feet away, I had an actual snore train, a freight train of snoring going on, which I got some audio of. I'll splice in here. Probably laid there for at least an hour or something trying to go to sleep before I got the idea to move this stupid thing out of this little alcove over here, which Dad was dissing so much. But it actually worked out pretty well, fit my bed perfectly, so hauled the mattress over, plump there. Still didn't fall asleep right away, so needless to say, I wasn't feeling up for the 6 a.m. safari, so I skipped that.
You didn't miss out.
Didn't miss much. They didn't see much more than we saw yesterday. And then I slept till almost 11. So, whatever. Alright, that's it for the room for now. So I was just moving my bed back from the alcove, and when I picked up the mattress, I saw it looked like a leaf. And it turns out it's a toad. Let's see, this motherfucker, I don't want to touch him because he might be, I don't know, everything, you know.
Get a piece of paper.
I'm driving him out, but now he's going under the fucking thing here.
What are you driving them out with?
This book.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he is, hopping. Yep, keep going that way, bud. Oh yeah, so here's another thing. When we first check in, and they're telling us all this information, they say, by the way, the water is too salty to drink, or something along those lines. And you get 2 water bottles per day in your room included, and that's it. And there's no water given to you at the meal times. You have to pay for water, bottled water. And there's coffee and hot water for tea, but everything else is for sale. So like, what kind of fucking scam is this? Anyway, so far we've been doing without buying water, been drinking lots of coffee at breakfast, and getting our 2 bottles a day and hiding them even if we don't use them, but I think we've been using them. I've been pouring it in my little clean canteen thing too. But I don't believe it. I was in the shower and I tried some of the water and it tasted fine. It looks clean. I don't know. It tastes fine, it smells fine, it looks fine. I think it's a bullshit moneymaker scare tactic. I do have my life straw, so safe there.
I'll eat almost anything, but I don't know about I'll drink almost anything, you know?
I just had a couple sips. We'll be sick together.
Tastes like water.
Right?
Yeah,
Not
pretty
salty.
good, pretty good.
All right.
No.